OpenAI's gippeto helps spammers send a blast of 80,000 messages that bypassed filters. Company didn't notice its chatbot was being abused for at least 4 months. Oh, just another day. Just another day where AI makes life so much worse. Spammers used OpenAI to generate messages that were unique to each recipient, which is kind of smart, honestly, allowing them to bypass spam detection filters and blast unwanted messages to more than 80,000 websites in 4 months, researchers said on Wednesday. That was yesterday, I believe. The finding, documented in a post published by security firm SentinelOne Sentinel Labs, underscores the double-edged sword wielded by large language models. So what they did was they prompted with, "You are a helpful assistant. I need you to help me send emails to particular people and create like a template." So you can see that they generated a template for the prompt, and then I want you to fill in these certain aspects of the template, and I want you to tailor it and keep it unique every time, right? And so what they were able to do was bypass filters that do global net checks, and these net checks will determine that like one type of email or one email that they've detected and flagged as spam is spam, and they'll look at the structure and see repeated uses of it regardless of who it goes to and just block it for everybody. But if you make the email unique enough and you change it between each send, then it just continues to get bypassed, because every time that you send the new, more uniquely generated email, it is not filtered right away. So it lands on at least some people's inboxes before it gets caught. So these, it seems kind of harmless. Like it's kind of like a low tier spamming, but you can see how something like this could be used for other things. Like we've gone over this before. You can generate emails that target the target like CEOs, like executives, and the way that they talk. And you just say something like, "Hey, you are now working for this and this company. I want you to write me an email that is in the middle of an exchange between the CEO and the CTO of the company, and it requires a call to action to click this link and go to this website." And it can make it somewhat realistic enough that an executive could fall for that, because it looks real and it plays on the fact that a lot of executives just don't have the time to thoroughly read a good email. And so they'll just click on links. That's just an example, right? And you can do this in mass now. That's the other thing. Not only can you generate these things that are reasonably kind of not undetectable, but I can't think of a better word right now, but they'll pass the sniff test, but you can also do it in mass. You can create a whole bunch of them. So be careful out there, okay?